Let's see how to unlock old iPad without Apple ID and password. In the first step, open Settings, then select Wi-Fi. After that, pick a network and type credentials. In the next step, open Settings. Next, navigate to Screen Time. After that, press Change Screen Time Passcode. In the next step, go to Settings. Later, choose Face ID and passcode. Then type the current passcode and modify settings. In the next step, open Settings. Next, tap Apple ID. After that, select Password and Security. In the next step of open Settings. After that, tap General. Then click on VPN and Device Management. You are good to go.